I'm Rob Simons, one of the metallurgists here at Palo. We're here today to talk about caustic quenching and some of the things that you can actually do with caustic quenching. What is caustic quenching and how does it differ from oil quenching? Well, when we look at an oil quenchant and we austatize a part, generally anywhere between 1475 Fahrenheit all the way up to potentially 1750 Fahrenheit, and we quench it in oil, the oil extracts the heat, but it does it at a very specific rate. And that rate is dependent on the properties of the oil itself. And when we look at caustic quenching, it's really a water-based type of quenching. It's water with sodium hydroxide added, and it extracts the heat at a much more rapid rate than an oil would. So, big deal. What does it actually mean? Well, what it actually means is that we can harden out things that you normally couldn't harden out with an oil quench with a particular caustic quench, something that's pretty commonly used in the heavy truck industry. So let's pick a given material, a good engineering alloy like 4320. It's pretty hardenable stuff, and if we were to quench it in oil, one of the things that we metallurgists look at is how big a bar could be to where it hardens out to where the core of it's 50% martensite. Now you might say 50%, that's actually a pretty good level for most things. Some things require more, most things that's more than satisfactory enough. So if I were to take that bar of 4320 and quench it in oil, I could successfully harden out a bar that's roughly 5/8 in diameter or 16 millimeters, a bar roughly this size. I could take the exact same material and harden out to the exact same method in a bar that's roughly 1.5 inches diameter or 38 millimeters. So you can see that's a pretty dramatic difference in the size of a component, i.e. the strength level, the performance that you would get from a lower alloy material by using a more severe quenchant such as the caustic quench. Hi, I'm Rob. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to know more about this subject, please feel free to reach out to us.